opening the Cookeez refrigerator. Let's get started. First off, we open the fridge. Then we see all of our ingredients. So let's see what we got to build with. 1. Take off this. Step 1. Let's cut it open. Now let's put it into the bowl. Let's keep on adding all of it in. Make sure all the ingredients in. Make sure you add all of it so your pat will come out right. And now we're gonna do next step. Add all the water. We're gonna mix it. Mix it all up. Put it into the mold.
But you have to take it out of the mold.
Up to the mold. Then we put it into the fridge and turn it up to 10. Then close it and wait for it to do. To open it and see what we got. Wow, we got a little animal. I wonder which one I got now.
Looks like Tiger Berry Ripple.
I got Tiger Berry Ripple. It is so cute. I got